So look what we have here, the beautiful John Zupka's Are You Quicker? No, it's the one quick four-door, sorry. But this is a very good looking 1995 Impala SS. It is getting a TorqHead, and it already has an OptiSpark going bad because it has a high resolution failure. Look how clean the interior, the engine bay is. I wanted to videotape this because it looks great. TorqHead, and maybe I'll do the headers. He's got some clear image headers coming, and hopefully he doesn't have EGR. Oh, that'll be not hard, not easy. So anyway, good looking car. Fancy spark plug wire loom there, pretty neat. Nice transmission cooler there. Maybe set up for road racing, set up for handling.